Pete the cat's trip to the supermarket. Pete and Bob are hungry after a big day of fun at the park. Dad, can we have a snack? Bob asks. Dad checks the fridge. Dad checks the pantry. Dad checks the secret snack nook. We need to buy groceries, says Dad. Dad starts to make a list. We need milk and eggs and fish and chicken. I want raspberries, says Bob. I want apples, says Pete. Pete, Bob, and Dad make a long list and take it to the supermarket. Yeah, cute name for the supermarket. It's called Meow Foods. That's cute, isn't it? Oh no, the wind blows the list out of Dad's hands. Uh-oh. It's cool, says Pete. I remember the list. I do too, says Bob. First they stop in aisle 10. The sign says dairy. We need milk, says Pete. And cheese, says Bob, the stinky kind. Next they go to aisle 9. Yum, says Dad. I love bacon. Don't forget the chicken, says Pete. They almost pass aisle 8 when Pete remembers eggs. Regular or jumbo, asks Pete. Jumbo, says Dad. Groovy, says Pete. Oh, look, they have frog eggs, chicken eggs, ostrich eggs, and even dragon eggs. Oh my goodness, dragon eggs? Have you ever had a dragon egg? I don't think dragons exist except in fairy tales and books. Bob can't pick between spaghetti and macaroni in aisle 7. How about bow ties? Asks Dad. Awesome, says Bob. Aisle 6 smells fruity. Remember the apples, says Pete. Remember the raspberries, says Bob. What kind of fruits are there? We have oranges and apples and pears, raspberries, cherries, avocados, and lemons. In aisle 5, Dad tastes a hot dog. Yummy. In aisle 4, Pete tastes a cupcake. Sweet. Dad lets Pete and Bob choose a treat in aisle 3. Pete picks crackers shaped like fish, and Bob picks popcorn. Brrr. It's cold in aisle 2. Dad puts mango popsicles in the cart. Look at the ice creams they're carrying. They've got chocolate ice cream, banana popsicles, vanilla ice cream, and strawberry ice cream. Do you like ice cream? I love ice cream. Aisle 1 has sunflowers, tulips, and blue daisies. Pete and Bob pick tulips for Grandma. She'll love them, says Dad. I think we got everything except for the fish, says Dad, but their car is packed with yummy treats. Next time. The end.